Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The SV Learning, and today we gonna talk about what is Firefox and how we can install on our system. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. You are first to know when I upload anything new. Let's start. What is web browser? A web browser takes you anywhere on the internet, letting you see text, images and video from anywhere in the world. A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. It retrieves information from other parts of the web and displays it on your desktop or mobile device. Few web browsers are Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera web browser, Safari web browser, UC browser, Microsoft Edge, etc. That's little information about the web browser. Let's go to the next slide and learn about Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox. It is a free and open-source web browser developed by the Mozilla Foundation. The Mozilla project was created in 1998 and after several years of development, Mozilla 1.0, the first major version, was released in 2002. Firefox ESR, Extended Support Release, is a version of Firefox for organizations and other groups that need extended support for mass deployments. Moving to the next. Let's talk about features of Mozilla Firefox. Impressive content at your fingertips with the new tab page. Unified search and address bar. Bookmark, snap, save or share is too easy at your fingertips. Enhanced tracking protection on private browsing. Sync browsing information with Firefox accounts. Get your home page in just a click. Menu or toolbar can be customized on your own way. Numerous themes and add-ons. Next. Let's talk about impressive content at your fingertips with the new tab page. Firefox gives you access to the excellent content every time you open a new tab. You can also customize this page. On the screen, you can see while opening a new tab plenty of contents already there. Next. Let's talk about unified search and address bar. You can start typing in a search term or web address and gives you suggestions based on your existing bookmarks and tags, history, open tabs, and popular searches. Next. Let's talk about bookmark, snap, save or share is too easy at your fingertips. You can bookmark web pages, copy or email links, take screenshots, and send pages to your phone easily from the Page Action menu in the address bar. Next. Let's talk about enhanced tracking protection on private browsing. You can browse the internet without saving any information on your system about the sites and pages you have visited. It also blocks creepy trackers that follow your behavior across the web. Next. Let's talk about sync browsing information with Firefox accounts. Steps to sync. Number 1. Click the Firefox account icon in the toolbar. Then, click Sign in to Firefox. Fill out the form to create an account. Make note of the email address and password you used. You will need them to sign in. After that, Firefox accounts will send you a confirmation email. Use the verification link or code to confirm your account. Click on the Firefox account icon to expand the menu. And, click on the Sync Now. That's it, your browsing information is synced with your Firefox account now. Next. Let's talk about get your home page in just a click. You can set your home page with just a drag and drop. How to set or choose the page that opens when you start Firefox. Step 1. Open the web page you want to use as your home page. Then, drag and drop that tab onto the Home button. And, select Yes to the pop-up comes for confirmation. Now you can open your home page anytime by just click on the Home button. Next. Menu or toolbar can be customized on your own way. Mozilla Firefox have streamlined the toolbar with the most popular features, but it has even more features tucked away. You can pick any one of your own choice. Drag and drop the features you want onto your toolbar or the panel on the right. When you are done, click on the Done button. Next. Let's talk about Numerous themes and add-ons. You can select any themes which you like the best, and add n numbers of add-ons. Next, let's go to the technical installation plan. There are two ways you can install the Firefox. First, you can download the installer and simply run. It will install everything for you and make Firefox ready to use. Second way, you can download any version of setup file and run it. Here you have to mention all the parameter for install. Note, we have given all the URLs for download the Mozilla in the description box, so go to the description and get the link. Let's go through the method 1. You can download the installer file from the Mozilla official site and save it to your local machine. Go to the saved location and double-click on the setup file or right-click and select Open to begin the installation process. That's it. Wait until process completes and it will install and open Firefox for you. Let's go through the second method. Download the setup file from the Mozilla official site and save on your local machine. Here I have used version 83. You can choose any version you want and the installation process will the same. Go to the location where you saved the setup file. Double-click or right-click and select Open on the setup file to start the installation process. Select Yes when this pop-up comes, to allow app to make change to your device. Read the instructions, and select Next. Select Standard. It will choose the most common options. You can also select Advance. There you will choose individual options to installed. It is recommended for experienced user. Click on Next. Leave the default location and click on Install. If you want to launch Firefox, then check the Launch Firefox Now, else uncheck it, and click on Finish. That's it. Installation is done and you can start using the Firefox now. Now, let's go to the demo session. Let's go with first method for direct install. Open any browser on your system, and type the mozilla.org in the address bar. Click on Download Firefox to start downloading of installer. Click on Save. Once installer will gets downloaded, select the open folder. You will able to see the installer on the folder. Now you can either double-click on installer, or right-click on installer, and select Open to start the installation process. Select Yes. That's it. Wait until process completes 100%. Automatically latest version of Firefox will install along with its all the components. Now you can see Firefox is installed successfully, and browser is launched. Let's go to the second method. In this part you will see how you can install Firefox via Setup file. Open any browser on your system, and type the mozilla.org in the address bar. Last part, we have directly clicked on Download Firefox, but here we will go to the Firefox browsers option. Once you will scroll to Firefox browsers, you will see many options like Firefox for desktop, Android, and iOS. I will choose Firefox for desktop. Click on the Firefox for desktop option. Here also we don't have to click on Download Firefox, because if we select that again, installer will get download, but we have to download setup file. Hence scroll below and click on the Download options and other languages. Here, you can select the Firefox types. Based on your operating system, you can select the installer. Select the language. Click on Download now. Click on Save. Once installer will gets downloaded, select the open folder. You will able to see the installer on the folder. Now you can either double-click on installer, or right-click on installer, and select Open to start the installation process. Select Yes. Read all the instructions and click on Next. Select Standard for most common options. You can also select Custom. Here you can specify your own options. And click on Next. You can see default location is selected as C drive, but you can change this location when you will select the custom option. Let's go and see what are the things we can do on custom option. Select Custom and click Next. You can select the location manually here based on desire, then click on Next. Here you can choose whether you want to install maintenance service or not. That's it. Let's go standard option again and start installation. Select Install. If you want to launch Firefox, then check Launch Firefox Now and click Finish. Now you can see Firefox is installed successfully and browser is launched. Thank you very much for watching this video. Guys, if you have learned something new today, then give the video a like. Please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. That's all for now. Thank you and have nice day.